Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Bitcoin from Arculus Wallet to Bitmart in 2025. If you're looking to move your Bitcoin seamlessly, you're in the right place. With the crypto world evolving fast, this guide keeps things simple and secure for 2025's updates. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Arculus Wallet app installed on your device. It's user-friendly and packed with security features, which is crucial in 2025's regulatory environment. Open the app and log in with your credentials or biometric authentication for extra safety. Next, navigate to your Bitcoin holdings. In the dashboard, find the Assets or Wallets section, select Bitcoin, and check your balance. Remember, double-check everything to avoid any costly mistakes. Now, to send Bitcoin to Bitmart, you'll need the recipient's address. Head over to your Bitmart account on their website or app, go to the deposit section for Bitcoin, and copy the wallet address provided. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers, so handle it with care. Back in Arculus, hit the Send button for Bitcoin. Paste the Bitmart address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and don't forget to review any network fees. These can vary based on Bitcoin's blockchain congestion in 2025. Before confirming, take a moment to verify all details. This step is vital to prevent scams or errors. Once you're good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll get a confirmation notification once it's processed, which might take a few minutes depending on network speed. A quick tip: always use two-factor authentication and keep your private keys secure. In 2025, with advanced threats, staying vigilant is key to protecting your assets. There you have it. That's how you send Bitcoin from Arculus to Bitmart. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that crypto knowledge.